Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What happened to that? You see, all grains contain something called phytic acid, or phytates, in the outer layer or bran, and oats contain more phytates than almost any other grain. So, if this phytic acid is untreated, it will combine with important minerals in our body and block their absorption. 28 November 2016.
Take our lead.
Glass. If online recipes are any indication, glass jars are the most popular choice for making overnight oats. Glass is a convenient option since it's safe to use in the dishwasher and microwave. Though usually eaten cold, some prefer to warm up their overnight oats, but keep in mind it is susceptible to breaking. 21 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instead, the oats retain their integrity, with a crispness akin to cereal, but not one of those cereals you need to race to eat before it becomes too soggy. Quick soaked oats could sit for a few minutes or a couple hours. It's all good. 18 July 2018.
Take our lead.
Overnight oats also help in reducing bad cholesterol in the body and increasing the good cholesterol. Oats are also known to work wonders for those who have a high blood pressure. Overnight oats serve as a quick meal with minimal preparation. Not only are nutritional but also make for a delicious meal. 28 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to add raw oats to your diet. Raw oats are an incredibly versatile ingredient. You can add them as a topping to your favorite yogurt or blend them into a smoothie. One easy and nutritious way to enjoy raw oats is to make overnight oats by letting them soak in the refrigerator in water or milk. 14 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Soaked oats are rich in plant-based protein and dietary fiber. They also contain a number of essential minerals and vitamins. They are filled with B vitamins, biotin, silicium, iron and magnesium, so it is actually a very healthy breakfast option considering the range of nutritional benefits. 17 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use plain old-fashioned rolled oats, not quick oats. Quick oats will get too soggy when soaked with milk. And do not use steel-cut oats because they won't soften enough to eat just with milk, unfortunately. Warm it up if you prefer warm oats in the morning. 31 December 2018.
Take our lead.
Everyone knows oatmeal is a nutritious dish to add to your diet, but overnight oats hold a special appeal and may offer even more benefits than their cooked counterpart. Oats are loaded with good-for-you nutrients like fiber, protein, magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids, among other things. 20 June 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.